STMicroelectronics STM32L4 Plus Discovery Kit for IoT node is a flexible platform for applications with a direct connection to the cloud. The kit is based on an ultra-low power STM32L4 Plus series MCU with a 120 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 processor with FPU. It includes a Wi-Fi module for easy connection to cloud services and the ST-Safe A110 secure element for authentication and secure data management. A Bluetooth module and dynamic NFC tag provide additional connectivity options. The board includes a wide range of sensors providing environmental monitoring, motion tracking, gesture recognition, and more, and hardware capabilities can be expanded using the Arduino Uno or PMOD expansion connectors. The kit also features an onboard ST-Link debugger programmer with example code and comprehensive libraries available in the STM32Cube MCU package.